Hello everyone, today we're gonna do the Decode question, which is this one, and it's a pretty simple and intuitive question. At first, all letters from A to Z are corresponding to a code word from 1 to 26 as string type, and then it gives you an encoded string, and you want to see how many ways it can be decoded, and so that's the question, and yeah, let's get started. So the idea is pretty simple. So I have already written a solution that using so at first glance it's pretty sure it's a DP question. That's on top floor. And how you do DP? There's two ways to do DP. One is recursive and plus unordered map to like make optimize the complexity. Another way to try to simulate the state transfer from one state to another state, and the way I did this question is using recursion, and the second way I would like to try another solution using basically uh, the DP solution. Yeah. Oh, sorry, the state transfer solution, and it should be very simple, but I won't try to use Java to write the solution because I'm not very good at Java and I need some practice on it. Great, let's get started. So the idea is pretty simple. So suppose that so at first we have to go from back to like from end to front. Why is that? Because it's because I feel like it's pretty hard for you to sort of like actually, wait, can you do that? Let me think about it. Can you? So, 26, then 26, 6, 2, it can be. Actually, I think you can do both, but like, anyway, I'm gonna do it from back to front because I feel it makes sense. And how I do is so that I go index here, and at first I go the array. The array will store the array index will be the maximum pass from like maximum like combination. I don't know why I say maximum, but it should be just plain combination from this index to the end, and here try to look back, and here try to look back, which is index. So suppose that case 1 will be index is a number greater than 2, so no possibility. So so only one decoding strategy here. So index, so array index will be just equal to array index plus 1. Great. And the second situation, index plus 1. So there's two index come from a number that is like smaller or equal to 26, and in this case, two decoding strategy here, which means that array index will be equal to array index plus 1 and plus array index plus 2, basically. And then there's another like special case, which is index equal to 0. If it's 0, then no encoding method, no encoding strategy here, which in other words, array index will be equal to 0. That's just 3 cases we need to consider. And yeah, that's it, I think. And okay, let's do it. I'll just do it. Okay. So here we need to consider base case. Actually, I'm not sure if it's a good idea. I feel like maybe we start with 2 might be like a better idea. So then that we can do is array. We just make the last index to be 1 because it should be have one method, right? Oh damn, just realized that if it's 0, then it should have 0 method. Yeah, I think that's a good point. We need to consider this. So also, let's try out to I'm not sure if it's chat. Okay, it is chat. Great. I'm just not sure about this. Okay, chat. Oh, this is very stupid to me. Why Java's array? I mean, Java string have to be like this. Length -1 equal to 0. If it equals 0, then we have to assign it as 0. Otherwise, we can assign it, question mark. Otherwise, we assign it as 1. Great, and here we and here we need to think about it. So the last one is always valid. Okay, if still need to so if I -1, I mean I +1 is still listen as tolerance -1. It should be -1. Yeah. If it is more than, of course, consider about it. Suppose the last index is etc. 1 0. Although it came from it should have 2 strategy, but it actually only have only have 1 strategy because there's no element after this number. Great, and suppose that I +1 is smaller than, then we can check. Oh wait, we need to consider the base case. So if s dot char at I -0. Actually, I'm not sure if it's a valid syntax in Java or not. Anyway, if this is strictly greater than 2, then we don't need to consider anything. We just do that array s equal to array s plus. That's what all we're gonna do, and continue to the nested loop. And another case is that suppose that if char at I is somehow equal to 0, then the third case, which is one of each case, we need to consider. And if this happens, then we assign it to be 0, and also continue. We have these 2 base cases, and then this case. If this is true, and let's check that. I'm typing Chinese. Oh, this is stupid. 10 by 10. I don't know why, but I'm seems like I'm using bracket plus this should be less than 26. This equal to 26. Then what we can do is using the different strategy. Otherwise, and then it's like, otherwise we just use this base case, and we return the first number in this array. And let's see if it works. Yeah, compile error. Okay, expected. Oh yeah, I have too many brackets. It's not a good thing. Especially at so this is 1 bracket. Okay, this is 2 bracket. All good. This is 1 bracket. This is 2 bracket. And here should be the missing bracket. Oh crap! Incompatible type string cannot be converted to int. So it's saying the s. Oh, should be I. Yeah, should be I. Great, and out of bounds exception. Out of bounds exception. Last one. That I don't think so, but I try it. Oh, I minus minus. No wonder. Great. Output is 1, but expected to be 2. Okay, let's think about it. Okay, I think this. I think it's because of this. So let's modify it, and it should be very easy to fix. All I need to do is add a stupid base case, I think. Sure, but okay, let's assign it to 1 anyway. And now it's working. Great. Try to add a case. I'm thinking right now it's like something might break if my last digit is 0. Okay, didn't break. Great. Try 2 0. Okay, I'm surprised it didn't break again. Okay, let's just try to add any number, I think. How about base case? I'm thinking like if there's only one number, then it might break. So suppose it's 0. Well, it didn't break. Okay, I think my answer is good. How about 1 0? Oh, 0 1. Yeah, 0 1 is perfect. 0 1 shall return 0. Great. Submit. Okay, it's cool. Wow. Actually, yeah. Okay, I think that's the answer. Great. I mean, thank you for watching. If someone is watching, thank you.